Today's topic is pricing mix, pricing strategies. Page number 333 in our business studies textbook. It comes from where? The topic elements of marketing mix. We have 4 P's are the. In that, product is over. Now, price. What's word meaning of price? Price refers to the amount of money which the customer pays for the product or service he purchases. Pricing plays an important role. What's importance of pricing? Pricing plays an important role in the marketing of a product or service. Price usually has an inverse relationship with the demand for the product. Where did we learn this? We learned with the apple story. I have 30 rupees income to purchase apples. When price is 10, I can purchase 3 kilos. When price comes down to 6 rupees, I can buy 5 kilos. When again price comes down to 5 rupees, I can buy 6 kilos. This we know very well in economics. That is inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded with the limited income of the consumer. So an increase in the price of a product can decrease the demand and vice versa. Therefore, a little variation in the price of product can lead to increase in demand for competitors' product. So most of the firms competes with one another on the basis of this factor alone. So pricing mix refers to the various decisions which a marketer has to take regarding fixing the price of a product or service. Pricing mix. What is the meaning of the pricing mix concept? Pricing mix refers to the various decisions which a marketer has to take regarding fixing the price of a product or service. These decisions include decisions depend upon what and what? Level of demand, price of competitors' product, discount to customers, and credit terms, etc. So pricing mix and decisions regarding the fixation of price depends upon level of demand, price of the competitor's product, discount to customers, credit terms, etc. So what are the factors determining fixation of price or price determination? First point is product cost. Second point is utility and demand. Third point, extent of competition in the market. Fourth point is government and legal regulations. Fifth point is pricing objectives. So please make columns and write the heading. What are the factors determining fixation of price or price determination? So the most important factor affecting the price of a product is its cost. That is, its product's cost. Product cost refers to the total of fixed cost, variable cost, and semi-variable cost. We know fixed cost, what is it? Are those costs which remain fixed at all the levels of production. For example, rent of building, salary, etc. Variable cost refers to the costs which are directly related to the levels of production or sales. Example, cost of raw materials, labor costs, etc. Semi-variable costs are those which change with the level of activity but not in direct proportion. For example, fixed salary of rupees 12,000 plus up to 6% graded commission on increase in volume of sales. That is semi-variable cost. Yes, the price for a commodity is determined on the basis of what? The total cost. So sometimes while entering a new market or launching a new product, business firm has to keep its price below the cost level, but in the long run, it's necessary for the firm to cover more than its total cost if it wants to survive, even in this cutthroat competition also. So product cost, we are getting some idea, and we learned 11th standard produces equilibrium including cost and revenue. Yes, utility and demand. Utility usefulness. Consumers demand more units of a product when its price is low, and vice versa. That's same as our Apple story. Recollect it. When the demand for a product is elastic, little variations in the price may result in large changes in quantity demanded. In case of inelastic demand, a change in the price does not affect the demand significantly. That also we learn. A firm can charge higher profits in case of inelastic demand. So it depends on the elasticity, and we know 5 diagrams: elastic, inelastic, unitary elastic, like that, isn't it? The buyer is ready to pay up to that point where he perceives utility from product to be at least equal to price paid for it. Thus both utility and demand for a product affects its price. Where did we learn this utility word and its equilibrium? 11th standard, consumers equilibrium. What is the main point? Marginal utility of additional utility of a product is equal to its price of a product. So utility and demand, recollect the standard 11 answer itself. Very good. The buyer is ready to pay up to that point where he perceives utility from product to be at least equal to its price. Third point is extent of competition in the market. The next important factor affecting the price for a product is the nature and degree of competition in the market. A firm can fix any price for its product if the degree of competition is low. LOW. When the level of competition is very high, the price of a product is determined on the basis of price of competitors' products, their features and quality. Example, MRF tire company cannot fix the price of its tires without considering the price of Bridgestone tire company, Goodyear tire company, etc. So, if the competition is high, that company has to take into consideration the competitor's product also. So, depends on competition and example also. Then fourth point we can see the government and legal regulations by law. The firms which have monopoly in the market, monopoly. What is the word meaning of monopoly? Tell me. Only single seller and full control over the product. Charge high price for their products. In order to protect the interest of the public, the government intervenes and regulates the price of the commodities for this purpose. It declares some products as essential products, for example, life-saving drugs. Some cases government has to intervene and life-saving drugs, etc. Very essential commodities. We have pricing objectives. Another important factor affecting the price of a product or service is what? The pricing objective. Pricing objective. First point is profit maximization. I have to get profit maximization. Then I have to get the market share. Obtaining market share leadership. Market share leadership. Market share leadership. That is, if the firm's objective is to obtain a big market share, it keeps the price per unit low, so there is an increase in sales. And thirdly, surviving in a competitive market. PMS, market share, profit maximization, and survival. If a firm is not able to face a competition and is finding difficulties in surviving, it may resort to free offer, discount, or may try to liquidate its stock even at a best obtainable price, BOP, best obtainable price. And fourthly, attaining product quality leadership. Product quality leadership. Generally, a firm charges higher prices to cover high quality and high cost if it is backed by above objectives. Product quality and leadership comes. So, pricing objectives depends upon profit maximization, obtaining market share, survival in a competitive market, and attaining product quality leadership. Then what are the marketing methods used? The various marketing methods such as distribution system, quality of salesman, advertising, type of packaging, customer services, etc. also affect the price of a product. A firm will charge high profit if it is using expensive material for packing its product. Next we have pricing strategies. There are two types of pricing strategies. One is price skimming, spelling SKIMMING. Price skimming strategy. What is it? What does it mean? It's a strategy. Price skimming is a strategy under which a firm first charges high price. First charges high price for its new product and later on reduces the price. Usually high price is charged for innovative product. Example, Toyota, Sony, etc. introduced a new innovative product, they charge quite high price for it. When the technology becomes common, the price is reduced. Such strategy can be used in case of highly distinctive product which has inelastic demand. It is able to maintain its uniqueness in the market for some time. Secondly, we have penetration pricing. What does it mean? Under this strategy, a product is introduced in the market with a low price. Under the strategy of penetration pricing, a product is introduced in the market with a low price. Introduced in the market with a low price to obtain big share in the market. Such type of strategy can be followed when the demand for a product is elastic and a number of substitutes are available in the market for a firm in the market, or a firm has a production capacity to meet the increase in demand. For example, the Reliance company, now known as Reliance Infocom, followed this strategy when it introduced mobile phone. They offered it at low prices just to capture big share in mobile phone market. What are the value points in that? Penetration pricing. Under this strategy, a product is introduced in the market with a low price to get a big share in the market. Such type of strategy can be followed when the demand for the product is elastic and a number of substitutes are available in the market, or a firm has a production capacity to meet the increase in demand. Example, Reliance company, now known as Reliance Infocom, followed this strategy regarding mobile phones when they introduced the mobile phones. They offered it at low prices just to capture big share in the mobile phone market. Yes. So just think about what are the questions involved in that with respect to pricing strategies. So today's assignment is, what is the assignment today? By combining all these points, make a question. What are the factors? Tell me, factors determining the fixation of price or price determination. 6 marks. In that itself, pricing strategies also, or giving the sentence answer, inside points given and asking captions. Pricing strategies, which are they, isn't it? Which are the pricing strategies? Price skimming and penetration pricing. List 2 factors affecting price determination. Product cost, utility and demand. Many points we have. Another simple question. Already learned the types of costs which do not vary with the production level are called dash. Fixed cost. Do not vary. That is fixed. If it is varying, it is variable cost. Okay. Thank you.